special edition today. Today, Mad Dog has been asking about making, what do you call it?
Elephant toothpaste.
You gotta speak up.
Elephant toothpaste.
You gotta speak up.
Elephant toothpaste.
I call it elephant snot. He calls it elephant toothpaste. So he found a recipe. We got our ingredients together, and we're hoping we're gonna have some big old messy explosion of what is it?
Elephant toothpaste.
Speak up!
Elephant toothpaste.
Elephant snot, I like to call it. All right, Maddox, what's the ingredients? How do we do this?
Measure half a cup of hydrogen peroxide.
You gotta speak up, bud.
Measure half a cup of hydrogen peroxide and carefully pour it into the bottle.
All right, we're gonna make 2 batches of elephant snot. We got 2 different style bottles, and it calls for a half a cup of hydrogen peroxide. All right, pour it in here. We're looking for a half a cup. So they're right there. Whoa, slow down, slow down, slow down. A little bit more. All right, half a cup hydrogen peroxide. All right, I'll pour another half a cup. Oh, we're gonna do 2 of these, remember?
That was cool.
All right, another half a cup hydrogen peroxide. What's our next step?
Add a big squirt of dish soap into the bottle and swirl gently to mix.
Oh, I forgot to mention, they say it's important to wear safety glasses because we're dealing with hydrogen peroxide, which can hurt your eyeballs. All right, give it a squirt. How much of a squirt?
Big squirt.
Big squirt. This is very scientific. A big squirt. And then give it a swirl. Ooh, I'm gonna swirl, 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 swirl. All right, give it a big squirt. Was this a big squirt? I think this was a little squirt. Let's give it a more of a squirt. We say if we're either going big or we're going home. All right, swirl, swirl, swirl.
If you want to make your foam a single color, add a few drops of food coloring directly into the hydrogen peroxide and swirl the bottle gently to mix.
All right, so here's the situation. If we want to dye it, we're going to use food coloring. Unfortunately, I went to the grocery store and they were completely out of food coloring. So we are going to improvise. I got some leftover coffee. There we go. Yeah, let's swirl that up, Mad Dog Maddox. And then, since we're improvising with color, I'm going to squish some blueberries with my fingers and make some blueberry juice. And just for fun, let's add a little bit of Crystal Light Fruit Punch. That should give us a little bit of redness. All right, you got that swirled up?
Yeah.
What's our next step? We're on to the next step. What do we need?
In a measuring cup, mix 1 tablespoon of dry yeast and 3 tablespoons of warm water.
All right, we're calling for 1 tablespoon of yeast and 3 tablespoons of warm water. Stir for about 30 seconds. So let's tear these open, put it in there, and then we're gonna mix it. We're gonna use this to mix, and then we can pour that into the bottle. I'm getting the water warmed up. All right, you're mixing your yeast. Attaboy. Let's get that mixed up good. All right, yep, you want to get a whole tablespoon. Okay, we got a tablespoon of yeast. And we need 3 tablespoons of warm water. One, 2, 3 tablespoons of warm water.
And it's just stir for about 30 seconds.
Stir for about 30 seconds.
1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, 13,000, 14,000, 15,000, 16,000, 17,000, 18,000, 19,000, 20,000, 21,000, 22,000, 23,000, 24,000, 25,000, 26,000, 27,000, 28,000, 29,000, 31,000.
Actually, we should mix up another set of this stuff before we go outside because we're going to make this explode outside. All right, Mad Dog, let's measure it up. Okay, got a tablespoon of yeast, 3 tablespoons of hot water, all right, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. All right, what's our next step? What do we do next?
Pour the yeast mixture into the bottle, then quickly step back and watch your reaction go. Do it outside.
Yep, we're gonna do this outside. All right, gonna move this operation outside. Okay, we moved our operation outside. I hope the cold doesn't affect it, but here we go. Anytime you're ready, Mad Dog, you got this. Oh boy. Oh man.
It came out. I wonder what it tastes like.
Ew. Probably tastes good because you put powder in it.
I thought it would be more dramatic.
It looks like cake batter.
All right, get the other one.
Oh!
That's pretty.
How much more colored? Oh, no.
That was it? Huh.
If you want to get a huge one, explosion, you need a lot of ingredients.
Well, that was cool.
All right, well, that was less than dramatic, but we tried. Maybe we'll try again another time. Thanks for watching. I wish it was more exciting.
Like and subscribe!
Bye-bye. All right, that stunk, so we're going to try it again. This time we got a double batch, and we're going to do it as a versus. So we're going to do Diet Pepsi and Mentos versus the elephant snot. Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
It didn't do anything.
Didn't do anything.
Hello?
Well, we failed yet again. Turn in for another boring episode of We Fail. Same time, same place, next week. Mad Dog out.